Okay, here you can see I've taped all of these together, and I also glued those cardboard pieces inside. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to glue a layer of newspaper all over this and then cover it with hard paper. I'm going to put the newspaper over it with very diluted glue mixed with a lot of water, so that it goes on flat. That is to cover all of these portions with tape, so that when I come to glue the paper on, the paper will stick on the newspaper, because it may not be able to stick on this tape. Also, the hole over here was not big enough, so in order to make it bigger I had to go on scraping the knife. It took a lot of time, but I think I got it. And I was worried whether the fan would fit in this hole, but apparently it fits perfectly. And this is the fan, which can be fixed on over here. So you know that this is the piece that's going to go at the back in order to hold the bulb. So I cut this piece. I've stuck about 3 layers of cardboard, and this is the hole, which is this one, and this piece will come on top like this. A hole will be made here and the bulb will be fixed over here. The wire goes through this groove and comes out of that hole. Now this is a hole for the main wire to come out of the projector, and that hole is going to be made over here. I just decided to make that after I glue all these pieces together. Okay, you remember I made this piece in which the fan will sit and this piece to hold the motor. I just stuck these two pieces together. The piece which holds the motor was covered with newspaper, and after these pieces were stuck together I placed them on the base so that I know where they sit. Okay, so here you can see that I have finished making this piece. The bulb socket, the wires of the bulb socket will go through this hole I've made. This is the socket. The wires will be inserted. And over here you can see 2 screw holes. I intend to put screws into those screw holes and screw it into the cardboard. The wire will go through this and it comes out from here. I also cut the hole here for the main wire. I had cut it after sticking all these pieces of cardboard together. What I did in order to cut it was I took a thumb pin, and after drawing the shape of the hole with the marker, with the thumb pin I poked holes on the outline of the hole, and then I took a knife and I went on cutting layer by layer until I came all the way down to the other end. Here is the base. This piece will be stuck over here, and this piece which holds the fan will be stuck over here, and it will look something like this.